There's the roof. It's off. There's the back. And there's the cart. Hey everybody, what's up? This is what we've got going on. I took the back of the golf cart off. I took the roof of the golf cart off, which is surprisingly easy to get that stuff off, believe it or not. And what that's allowing me to do, which I'll show you in a couple minutes after I wash this beast, is to fit it on the trailer for transport. We're leaving in 6 days to go to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and I'm trying to tighten things up. We made the trip already with the golf cart on there, but it wasn't the way I wanted it to be. And it was kind of thrown together, if you will. So let's get this stuff washed up. This is the next 6 days of getting ready for the trip. And then we leave on Thursday. Today's Friday, the 8th of April. I think we're leaving on the 14th? Question mark. So let's see what happens. All right. She's got no top. She's topless. What? The yard's a disaster. We're just starting with the spring cleanup. Chairs are all over the place. Everything's in disarray, but that's okay. Look, I've got some moss on the side of my garage. It's all going to come together within the next couple weeks. Oh, everybody likes an ice bath. Tubby, tubby time. Tubby, tubby time. Yeah, it's there. All right. Let's see what we can do here. I guess, I should have read the directions first, but let's, I guess, wipe it? Maybe a rag would have been better. Might take a couple treatments. We'll see. So you see, that's why the roof had to come off and the back step. So now I am even. I'm not wider than the trailer. Because otherwise the back step comes out to like here, right? And this is what we got. If I had the roof on, it does not work. Luckily, I never in my wildest dreams would think that it would still barely fit. But it fits. See how the front wheels, they line up with the back tires? And that's what we got going on. I dig it. Okay, mission complete. Sorry about the wind. That's it. So, golf cart cleaned up. Fits on the trailer. Topless, of course. and with the back step off. So that's it for this video. Quick little video. More to come. We're going to try to fire off a couple a week. Appreciate you watching. If you want to check out the podcast, Off Kilter RV podcast, anywhere you might find your podcasts. That's not family friendly. That one is explicit material, the Off Kilter RV podcast, so it's not for kids. It's not for a lot of adults either. And that's it. That's all we got going. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye.